In the currency quadrant today, taking a look at the June Euro futures contract. That's the Euro currency, which hit 4-month lows today in the fourth session of the last five, where price headed to the downside. That move also happens to leave the Euro at testing its 200-day moving average. The last time we were below the 200-day moving average was May 27th of last year, and that was on the way back up from having spent some time below it. So testing that 200-day moving average is always pretty critical, as most market watchers are aware of it and watch it. We're going to have to see if it's able to kind of rise up, test it, and fall and completely break down, or rise up and get back above that level. Now, the German lockdown, the excessive lockdown or the additional lockdown was taken back now. Chancellor Angela Merkel actually apologized for supporting the potential hard lockdown, which was brought up by 16 provinces, supported by Angela Merkel yesterday, that would have taken the Europeans through a hard lockdown through the Easter holiday. Now, she not only took it back, she apologized for it, saying the idea of the Easter shutdown was drawn up with the best intentions because we must urgently slow and reverse the third wave of the pandemic in Europe. However, the idea was a mistake. There were good reasons for it, but it could not be implemented well enough in this short time. The apology was taken pretty positively by the markets early on, but again, it's just more confusion for the euro currency, more uncertainty as to what the particular regions and the EU as a whole is going to do about the slow vaccine rollout. That slow vaccine rollout, these vaccine issues, is also due to a shortage of the vaccine in that particular part of the world, and the UK and the EU continue to be in a battle of words over the AstraZeneca vaccine. The UK thinks they have right of first refusal for the vaccine. The EU is saying if they try to enforce that in any way, shape, or form, they'll put up other trade blockades for other pharmaceuticals that have sort of mutual trade agreements between the two countries. Now, the EU says it needs to be reciprocal. The fact is, as this is between companies and governments, not between governments and governments, so it might be hard to resolve, and that's adding some weakness to the euro as well.